Good morning guys, in front of me is brand new iPad Air and let me show you how to clear browsing data. At first, open the settings, then select the browser that you are using. In my case it's Safari. Now scroll down and here you will notice clear history and website data. Just mark and now customize it. So let me clear all history and also close all open apps. Okay, actually no tabs are open, that's why it is not working. However, if you have like plenty of them open, just mark it here to close them all and then just mark cleared history. And that's it. You've just cleared history and website data. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.